During my time at pre-college, I am enrolled in 2 courses, Physics 7A and Astronomy 10. I got to show you a bit of the classroom that astronomy takes place in, but even cooler is the fact that I got to interview the people who run the course.
My name is Dr. Brian Mendez. I am an astronomer at UC Berkeley, and I teach in the astronomy department as well as work at the Space Sciences Laboratory, where I create public programming about NASA missions.
My name is Iwo Wata. I'm a UGSI, or otherwise known as an undergraduate student instructor for this class, Astronomy 10. I'm an incoming junior majoring in astrophysics at UC Berkeley.
We're one of the top programs, and we attract kind of the best people because we have this long history of doing astronomy research and getting facilities to help people do very strong research. So we have access to telescopes that many other places don't have easy access to. So the large number of people using these great facilities makes this institution just one of the best places for this type of research.
Okay, one tip. So this class, as Professor Mendez already mentioned, is an intro to astronomy, right? Concepts, the basic understanding of the fundamentals of the subject. Try to understand every concept, and if you can, link it to some analogy, then you can understand the real world. Like, for example, you can think of a solar eclipse. You can kind of put your ball in a fist and then block out a light source and realize that could be some kind of transit between, let's say, the moon, the earth, and the sun, creating a solar eclipse, or any other transit in astronomy. That kind of link, those analogies, really help in core understanding of astronomy. So I think it's really essential in astronomy.
This class, especially Astronomy 10, was designed to be a class for non-specialists, meaning people who don't necessarily have a lot of background in physics or science. It's an opportunity to take in this very large field at kind of a low detail level so that you can get an overall sense of what the big questions that people are trying to understand. And we do try to introduce you as well to some scientific thinking, some scientific methods. If you're going to do some math in this class, you can't get away from it. So you can build up a little bit of quantitative reasoning. So it's a really nice introduction to science.
Office hours. I'm here, he's here. Anytime you have a question on the homework, the projects, the exams, any kind of review for a lecture or a concept you don't fully understand or click with yet, we are the resources that I highly suggest you come to. For example, during office hours, instead of having a super hard question about homework, we can just talk about some interest you have in astronomy. It can be anything, genuinely anything. But if you do need help, we're the best resources out there, so come to office hours.